Hello again, I'm back. This is Stephen. We are doing alphabet ABCs. And right now we are going to do our lowercase or small letters. All right, this time I'm going to use red, and any corrections I will use a blue pencil or alternative. Okay, so let's start. We're going to start with A. Okay, now lowercase, we're going to use this center line. It's dot, 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 dot. Okay, and we also have a red line. Everything will be on the red line. Some will go below the red line down here. You will see in just a moment. So letter A. Okay, letter A. We start right here, okay? Not at the dotted line. We're going to start just below the dotted line. And we're going to start going up like we did our C before. We're going to go up and around like so. And then keep the pencil and go straight down. We're going to make a little stick. So this is going to be A. Next is B. B, we're going to start at the top line, and go straight down, 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 down. Okay, keep the pencil on the paper, and back up, and turn, like so. Okay. Okay, just like the A, we're going to do C. We're going to start right below, and we're going to go up and turn and stop, right like that. C. All right, D, same place. We're going to start right there. We're going to make this motion again. We're going to go 1, and we're going to go all the way up this time, and back down. So you'll have a little stick coming out here. Now, we keep on the paper to do fast. Fast. Fast, fast. Okay? When you write fast, you want to keep on the paper. Okay? E. Okay? Now, we're going to be below. Okay, so we have the dotted line, but we're going to start right here. Okay, this time we're going to make a stick straight across. And then we're going to go our normal motion like the C. The same thing here. But you're going to start stick, circle. This one is just the circle. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Next is F. Okay, F, we're going to start below, okay, the top line. We're going to start about right here. Okay, and you're going to go one more time. We're going to start pushing up just a little bit and straight down. You're going to lift it up, and at the dotted line, you're going to go doop, 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 make a little F. Okay, next, G. Okay. Just like the A, and the C, and the E, we're going to start right here. Okay? So, when you do lowercase, under the dotted line. Okay? We're going to go up and around like the C, up to like the A. We're going to stop right there. Keep it on the paper. And then we're going to go back down like the A, but we're going to keep going. Go, 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 and down here. G. We're going to go under the red line. Under. Okay. H. Okay. This is like the B we had over here. We're going to do the same thing up here. Start We're gonna go a tree. Okay, keep it here. And we back up, and just like the B, but we're gonna go straight down. Okay, we're not gonna go this like the B, but we're gonna go down. E, F, G, H. All right, I. We're gonna do, it's a small stick, small tree. Start here and go boop. Very easy, but there is a dot. You're gonna make a dot right there. I. Okay, and the letter J. Same thing, but we're gonna make it bigger. We're gonna start here, and we're gonna go down, 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 but we're gonna go under, and we're gonna turn like we did the G. And again, we're gonna have a dot. The I and the J. Dot. Dot. Okay, next, K. Start up at the top here. And go straight down. Tree. And start on the right. Dot, 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 dot. Dotted line. And we're gonna go boop. Boop. Like so. So it's the like, if you know your hiragana, it's going to be a small ku. Ku. All right. J, K. Next is L. Super, super easy. Start at the top and go down. Make a tree. Finished. Take it down. Okay. That's all it is. Just the one down. L. Next is M. Okay. We're going to start dotted line and down. Okay. Keep on the paper. We're going to go back up and down. Back up again. Down. Like that. M. M. Okay. Now, if you remember what we did before, the M is going to have 1, 2 bumps. Just like up here at the top, we have 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Or 2 bumps, 2 bumps, 1, 2. Okay. N. Okay, be the same as the M, but we're just gonna make an N like this. Down, up, around, down. Letter N. N. Okay. O. Again, O is same as this here that we did earlier, but we're going to do it small, lower on the paper. Start at the dotted line. Dot, 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 dot. We're going to turn, 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 turn. Go to the red line. Back up. Circle. O. P. Now, we're going to start right here. Dotted line. Dot, dot, dot. We're going to go down, 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 down. Tree. But this one's going to go under to the bottom line. Underline. Okay. Then we're going to come about right here. Okay, and then you're going to do a circle for going to this direction. Okay, so you can do this in 1 plus 2, or you can just keep on the paper and go 1, 2. All right. Q. All right, Q. You can do the same thing again. Right under the dotted line. Okay, we're going to go up just a little, just like our letter A. We're going to go back down, but we're going to go down, 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 and do a little kick at the end. Okay, you can do a kick straight, or you can do a circle. Okay, something like this. I'll do a secondary. I'm gonna go. Okay. Uh-oh, there goes my pencil. And do a circle, that's okay. Or you can just do just a straight line, that's okay. Now, I recommend that you just go ahead and do the red one. Just go 1, 2, just really quick. Okay. So those are all cues. Next, R, letter R. Here we go. We're gonna start at the middle line, middle, dot, dot, dot. And we're gonna go small tree. And right back up and turn. And you're gonna stop right here. Okay. Same spot here. Okay, if you look over here, we're gonna go. It's the same spot that we do for the P. It's the same spot that we've done for many of these, right? E, where you start at the E, where you start at the C, where you start at the A, okay? Where you start at the Q. Start right there. That's where you stop. Stop. Tomare. Stop. Okay. So, one more time. Small tree. Back up. And stop. R. Okay. S. Okay. Where you stopped here. That's the same spot. You're going to start again. S. Okay, we're going to go up. And about here, we're going to turn all the way back. Turn again, like a snake. S. Okay. It's going to be the same as our uppercase. It's just going to be smaller. Okay, there's no dotted line in the middle. Just think to yourself, there's a dotted line right about there. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, same as the S up here. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, so after S, we have the letter T. T, very easy. Okay, you're just going to make a small cross, cross. And then above that cross, okay, we're going to go about here, not the top. And you're just going to go straight down. You're going to go from this point, you're going to go tree. Okay. All right, I'm going to move over here. Start a new line. And we have the letter U. U, dotted line, dot, dot, dot. Down, and turn, 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 back up, straight up, and back down. So it's going to have a little tiny stick here. Let's see if you can see it there. Right? You get that little tiny stick where you go up and down. Okay. Next, we have the letter V. Okay, start dotted line, dot, dot, dot. Back up, just like that. Okay, again, we're going to have letter W. It's going to be two of these, two. Start dotted line, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. W. Now it's going to be pushed together more than the V. Right, we're going to push it together more. U, V, W, X. 1, 2, X. The letter Y. Okay, letter Y starts just like the V. Okay, just like the V. We're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go Y. But this time, we're not going to stop here. We're going to keep going. Just like the V, this would be a V, but you're going to keep going all the way down to the bottom line. This is a Y. So V, Y. Keep going. And last is Z. Dotted line, same motion as uppercase, just small. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, make sure it's going to be a point. We do not, we do not want a number 2. In blue, number 2 would be like this. That's not a Z. This is a number 2, right? Meaning, big fingers. 1, 2. Okay? We don't want that. We want to have sharp corners. Boom, boom, boom. Corner, corner. Kado, kado. Okay? All right. Whoop, I'm still zoomed. Here, let's get it back out. So here we go. Lowercase. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. These are all Q. You just pick one of those. This is the one I like. Like so. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, with the sharp corners. So, not the number 2. Like this, right? That would be 2. 1, 2. We don't want. No. This is, yes, we want that one. Okay. Thank you much. We'll see you next time.